Hoy, Chay, yo soy el... Me llamo Miguel
Hola,
Padilla.
Dora. Vámonos.
So tayo ini keng El Español, authentic Spanish cuisine. Norin ini.
Actually, kaya nepo quad.
Mag-jeep ka, sakyan mo, checkpoint, ampong, bilya pampang.
Malapit Macdo,
Happy na.
kayo lumakad kang bagetso na kay LS pa.
Tikmantala ang ngeni red ang authentic ng Spanish cuisine. Let's go check it out. Okay, this is Jamon Serrano. Apinining Jamon Serrano. Kapilido na initang kaklase ko ng grade school.
Shoutout kita, klasiko naman.
Justin slice siya mo very flavorful ya. Manyaman niya ini with wine, I guess.
Cheese?
Yeah. Hoy! Ay net, sinerve dan nala ang karelang specialties. Kening El Español. Kare mapilang karan di siya lalo na ini. Ngayon pa may nakit makanya na
Now,
kasi.
Kenny. Wait lang kung nanong atin, Kenny.
Sige.
Salmon. And this cheese. Ano siya may cheese na yun? Basta cheesy yan.
O nanitang bilog-bilog yung babo, pearls. Caviar.
Caviar, sorry. And what's this?
These are basically tapas. Pulutan. Wow, appetizers. And you can pair these
They call
easily
it
with
tapas.
wine. Alam mo yung balo mong imerlis.
Like S.
O, verify tayo. Croquetas de jamon. Serrano ham rolled with bechamel croquettes with aioli and romanesco sauce. So, chulo
Ano yung sauce? Uy, titang Serrano King Kilob.
Serrano itang
Wala mo pag
Itang
ng
ham.
paitang sira na kitang kito.
Yaw dyan ko na yung sauce ng big. Tingnan bala mo lalasang potatoes.
Tapos na kumasos siya.
Walang buo.
Very flavorful yan. Kailan tapos pinaray ni perfect level.
Kailangan ko nini.
Next, gambas al ajillo, 395.
Sana yung King Gambas pa na yung sizzling. Pampulutan niya naman pero papalini mo bala mo part yan ha.
It's doused in oil, extra virgin olive oil, bong cilantro. I'm a cilantro kind of guy, so it's my jam.
Manyaman niya palang Mindilo yaking oil eh.
Wow. Tsaka alalasan mo itang garlic. Wala mo siksikita flavor na nitang gambas.
Again, potang chicken niya. Kana ako panto ng kini.
Come on. By the way, guys,
Wow.
check it out niya ini.
Sangria.
This is sangria, red wine niya with soda. Ang pong real bits of fruit. Alam mo, kaya ko na.
Glam commercial.
With real bits of fruit. So perfect ini karatang kanti mo rin tapas. And mag-serve lang namang steak, Kenny.
Just calamari.
Ay, oh, good for myself.
Very light yung flavor na ng calamari ngayon. Ay, mga suya. Although ako kasi squid person.
Karang nga ganun ka ng tipangan ng wanya. Parang masuya kita. Dip na. Ngayon kayo didip. Pero ini aliyo.
Creamy with the lime.
Tastes so good.
Destruction. Pininitang orderan yung nung bisa kong something salad na extraordinary.
With the local. Verified. Manyaman yan.
How do you like, guys? If you have any complaint, you complain with the chef.
The chef, by the way.
It's a baby.
Nani sa baby yan?
It tastes good.
Alright! Boom! Bomba rice. Ready na yung bestsellers again. We have the paella Valenciana, which is good for 3 to 5 person. And this is the rice.
They call it bomba rice.
255 pesos per kilo. Shoutout kang Jasmine ng Ponte Norado.
Turon de pollo.
So chicken breast ni toronja, so rolled ya, salad and pong
Mashed potato.
You have to go from the sides, from the edges, and then the middle is in cut. That's the last one.
Oh, okay. Why?
You take. But this is tradition.
It's tradition.
Oh, you get this for too late.
Yeah, you take from the side, and then you take from here, and then you turn it on, and you take from here, and then the middle is always in cut.
Lamag DJ ka na. Sorry.
Now you know. No. So sabi natin chef, kailangan kanya pala duduruin.
The derita and mibok. It means it melts in my mouth. Nakasagot bakit ang nasi makamal? Bomba rice.
Malpa. Yung term na mong kapampangan. Uling malambuyo. Malpa yan. Kuya sasalbag.
Ating yung very fruity flavor.
Buri kayong packet ng grains na kasi nung karagul.
Turon de pollo. This is chicken breast na makarol. This is chicken breast na makarol. Nawari usually pa siya chicken breast ng halay lasa. Hindi din lasa. Malasa yan. Lalo na hindi nagkikita ang sauce na nila.
Ano sabi ng chili sauce? Ano sabi?
Wow.
Churros.
So everyone is invited na munta kayo ng El Espanyol. Sobrang reasonable naman yung price. Mayroon ka kayo ng birthday, for graduation celebration, or any kind of celebration, date.
They're also serving Mexican food.
Wow, Tex-Mex.
Tex-Mex.
Karang yung gano'n ng binisita tayo mo restaurant. May itong hindi ka na perma sa Thank you very much for the sponsorship and respect.
Soy tan bello, macho, guapito, despacito. Suave pero suave, la vida es bella. Ah, estoy borracho. What you doing?